Hello everyone, feeling crushed by deadlines, endless tasks, or just the weight of modern life. Whether you are a student reading whole night, or a factory worker carrying heavy notes, or an office professional drowning in emails, stress does not discriminate anyone. I get it because I am right there with you. In the next few minutes, we are gonna talk how to handle the stress, and I promise you will feel the difference before we are done. Everybody knows what stress is. Stress isn't just a feeling, it's a whole body response. Fight or flight is your body's emergency mode, a survival mechanism that floats you in the stress hormone, preparing you to either battle a threat or to run like a crazy. Over 70% of us are overwhelmed quickly. It shows up as a clenched jaw, a foggy brain, or that moment when you are about to snap everyone around you. But here's a good news. Your body has a built-in reset button, which we are going to hit together right now. And one, the science-backed breath reset, or let's see, on 7-8 breathing techniques. Your instinct stress neutralizer. This is not just a breathing exercise. It is scientifically proven method to calm your nervous system. At first, inhale through your nose for 4 seconds and hold the breathing for 7 seconds. And then exhale through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat this process for 3 times. Come together and do this exercise with me. Let's start. Here's the countdown timer. Do this 3 times. I don't care whether you are in the factory or in the school or in the office or stuck in the traffic. This technique works everywhere and every time. Feel that your brain just switched from fight or flight to rest and digest. Let's go to another hack, that is the tension shake off. Stress generally lives in muscles and they tighten your muscles. So now it's time to release the tightness or the stiffness or the stress from the muscles. So let's shake the tension away from the muscles. For this, you need to either sit tall or stand up. Start from your finger. Shake it like this. Shake your finger and thumb hand just for 60 seconds like you are drying a baby. Shake it, baby. Also shake your legs. Another back it. On and rotate yourself like this. Rotate. It's just for 1 or 2 minutes. Just shake every part of your body for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay? And then now it's time to give a whole body stretch like this. You can do this in standing position. Give good and full stretch to your body and then relax. And this is not just moving or shaking your body parts. You are literally shaking away the stress, away the tension from your body. This technique increases blood flow and resets your energy instantly. And believe me, these techniques work for everybody. They might be students, office workers, or laborers, or anyone who might be dealing with physical and mental tension. And hack number 3 is brain hack. Here's a secret weapon. Your brain believes what your face tells it. Stress makes us tense, but we can trick our brain to feel better. Let's try this right now. For this, you need to smile wide for full 10 seconds, like this. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly. Smile, please. You need to smile. And take a deep breath while smiling like this. Relax. Sounds silly, right? But science says otherwise. This triggers feel good chemicals, reduces cortisol, and enhance your mood. Perfect for students before an exam or doctors after a long shift or to anyone who are overwhelmed. Now look at yourself. You have just learned 3 powerful techniques for washing away the stress. Listen, 8 lines, happy workloads, and life's pressure are still calm. But now you have got a toolkit to handle it. And yes, a 24-hour challenge for you. Pick one of these techniques whenever you are stressed and drop down a comment which hack worked for you the best. Want more stress fighting tips? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell.